What's up? What's good mga Lods? Kamusta kayong lahat? I'm hoping and praying na sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at sitwasyon. Well, of course, tayong lahat, syempre. And yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, hold on. Madali na pala kami. And so, yun nga, for today's video, we are going to a short basketball game. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakapag-upload or nakapag-vlog about sa basketball, no? Medyo na busy din, as you all know, di ba? Naglipat tayo eh. And hindi pa nga natin masyadong tapos yung mga ginawa natin, no? At ginagawa pa dito sa bahay. But okay lang yan. Yun nga, ngayon ito yung first game or first tournament nila Rashard, him as a travel team niya. Yung diba, sabi nga before, kung napanood nyo yung previous vlog na rin namin about sa nag-tryout siya sa travel team, and then yun nga nakuha siya, and then yun dire-diretso yung ensayo nila. Dati nga nakukuha na ko pa yung ensayo nila, ngayon hindi na talaga, maski minsan hindi na ako nakakapag-video sa ensayo niya kasi pag hinahatid ko siya, uwi ako agad, ihahatid ko si ate sa work, or sometimes gagawa na lang ako dito sa bahay. And yun, kaya medyo na busy rin. So ngayon, yeah, today is his first game. That's him. He's getting ready. And yun nga, no, since travel team yun, so we have to travel now sa Illinois. So I think we have a 2 hours travel time. And sila Macy's hindi na sumama, kadarating niya lang din galing work. And may pasok siya ulit mamaya eh. Ako kadarating ko lang din, pero wala akong pasok, day off na ako mamayang gabi tsaka bukas ng gabi. So yeah, so sasamahan natin to ngayon. Sana maganda ilaro niya sa first game niya, baga debut game for his travel team. Alright, so kung hindi kayo masyadong busy, samahan nyo kami mga Lods. Alright, so thank you in advance. Let's go. Ito nga mga Lods, travel time. Start na muna natin.
Head west on Lavano Drive toward Matico Lane.
Travel time natin is 1 hour 22 minutes. So 82 miles. So darating tayo dun ng 10:56. Call time nila is 11 o'clock. Their first game is at 11:40. So maaga tayo, but that's fine para makapag-warm up din siya ng maayos. Alright mga Lods, let's go! Where are we going? Papagas muna tayo mga Lods para wala nang gas eh. Pupuno natin para dire-diretso biyahe natin. Tsaka mas mura dito, mahal sa Illinois. Medyo mas mataas yung gas nila sa Chicago or sa Illinois. So dito tayo magpagas. Alright,
Here, take the phone.
so yun, so ano tayo, basketball vlog tayo ngayon mga Lods. makulimlim panahon. Sana okay na yung ganyan, wag na sana umulan, pero mukhang ulan. Look at the sky short. Mukhang ulan.
Here, record.
Medyo makulimlim siya. Pero makulimlim. Tapos medyo windy. Pero okay lang yan. Sana wag na lang umulan. Siya daw siya na daw maggagas. Oo. Warm up niya shadow box. Just click it like that. Yeah.
To what?
Alright, put it back there. Then get a receipt for me. I need the receipt.
To what?
Put it there. The nozzle, put it there. Compress. Yeah, very good. Oh, yung gas tank, close it. Yeah, just close it. Get the receipt.
There's a cat.
Oh, I need to go inside. It says clerk. I need to go inside.
What do I ask?
Just go inside the car.
No,
Just go
I
inside.
will
Ask the receipt. Pump number 6. Said pump number 6. You need the receipt. Hurry up. Yeah, let's go. Sure, can you just move a little backward? Yan. Diretso na biyahe natin ito mga lods. Diretso na tayo sa venue. So ang dating natin. Uy, naging 11:05 dating natin. So okay lang yan. Parang 11:40 game nyo. Coach said at least be there like 30 minutes ago, before.
At the light, turn left onto East 109th Avenue.
He said 30 minutes before. So kahit dumating tayo ng mga 11:10, okay pa tayo. So alright. So
Continue on East 109th
by
Avenue
the way, sa
for
mga
1.5
subscribers
miles.
namin, maraming salamat We're here again. And dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please, baka pwede makalambing sa inyo ng subscription. Alright? So yeah, yun nga, basketball vlog tayo for today. Sama lang kayo sa amin. Alright? See you in a bit. Malapit na kami mga lods. Ano na lang, 21 minutes sabi dito sa Google natin, no? Sa Aurora, Illinois yung laro nila eh. So pinapa-exit na kami dito sa Aurora. Malapit na. Dahil sabi half mile, Aurora, Illinois. There's the venue.
Your destination is on the left.
We're at the venue. Where are we gonna park at? Update mga lods. Dito na tayo. Darating lang natin. Where's your water at? You have there? Ang dami ng tao. Halos po napuno yung parking. Dito kami sa bandang likod na nga Pero halos puno na. Doon yung venue, yun yung entrance. Yan. Ang dami dito. Sakit sa balakang. Pero okay lang. Sana maganda yung laro na itong batan to. Para sulit yung sulit yung biyahe. Excited yan So, Char, did you bring your phone? You kept it there? Or was with you? Sakto lang yung dating namin. I-start na rin ito maya maya. JB! Sir Royal, say hi! Sir Royal! yung mga laro. Meron silang 3 laro today. Chart!
Alright, listen. Here's what I want you to do. I know it's not sound funny. I want you guys to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Listen. You're going to hear a lot of outside noise today. You're going to hear parents. You're going to hear fans. You're going to hear everything. All I want you to hear today when we play is me and the coaches following what's going on. And you and the players together. Okay? You guys, keep your eyes closed. Listen to me. You guys have worked so hard to get to this. Remember
Okay lang team to.
the other day.
Mga kalaban din nila siguro yan.
Listen to what I'm saying. I want to hedge screens hard. We can't just be sitting here and if Johnny's getting screened and go, hey, right. I want you to
Let's
walk
go,
up with the guy that's
hustle.
screening. That's your dude. Because it's going to get us in good places. Alright? Hey, let's stretch out a little more. I want you to say it. I want you to do it. Tell these guys. Here we are. Hustle. 1, 2, 3, hustle!
Let's go!
We're gonna walk down or we're gonna walk up here?
Come on, short! Warm up muna sila, kailangan nila mag-warm up. Aga pa naman eh. 11:30, they still have 10 more minutes to warm up. Ayos yan, para ano, ready. Medyo match-up lang yata nila yung kalaban nila. Walang masyadong matangkat. Let's go, warm it up! Yeah, mag-i-start na mga lods. Let's go. Hindi pinag-start si Rashard. Off the bench siya. But that's alright. Come on, kids! Baba naman rin. Lamang yung kalaban, naka-score na yung kalaban, end 1, tapos na-shoot yung free throw. Yan yung naka-shoot yung batang yan. Nagtatrap din sila yung blue eh. Si Rashard, ready yan si Rashard, coach. Gamitin mo yan. Ready yan si Rashard. Excited na yan. Same ball. Nice shot, boy. The shot is up. Ready. Take time, keep going. Nice shot. Uh-oh. Shard. Oh, Shard. Na, pinasok na sila Shard, mga lods. Oh, Shard, work, baby, work. Corner. Nice shot. Nice shot, JB. Nagpe-press yung kalaban eh. Go Sharp, bring it down. That's foul. Timeout sila, Rashard. Timeout sila. Lamang sila eh, 7-4. Lamang silang tatlo. Hindi pa nakakashoot si Rashard, mga lods. Hindi pa siya nakakakuha ng magandang tempo. Hindi pa nabibigyan ng bola eh. Take that. Oo. Rebound Shard. Rebound, good. All right. Take your time. Good hustle, good rebound. Take your time, Shard. Nice shot. Nice shot. Short. Nice one. Ito lang yung gumagawa sa kalaban, itong afro eh. Puro end one eh. Marunong eh. Pero lamang pa rin sila Rashard ng 6. Rebound. Isa pa rin naka-rebound. Jump ball. Go shot, kick. And one. Nice shot. Back na. Walo, 25 seconds, first half. Time. Short na naman. Go get short. Why are you... First half, lamang ng 6. Lamang ng 6 sila result. Backs out, rebound. Backs out first, rebound. Violation, line violation, Arpo. Go work. All yours. Good, good, good shot. All yours. Nanalo yung second game nila, Rashard. Diretso na sila sa third game. Back to back yung laro nila eh. Sila na agad. Ayun sila oh. Sila na agad yan. Back to back game. Last game nila, third game. One more game mga lods. Tapos, uwi na. Nagugutom na ako. Naghahanap-hanap lang ako ng mga kainan eh. Pinakamalapit dito is McDonald's, like 5 minutes. Yung iba, lalayo na. Magma-McDonald's na siguro kami after this game. Wala pa akong lunch. What time is it? 2:30. 2:23. Oh, nalipasan na ako ng gutom. Pero okay lang yan. For the love of the game. Supportahan natin sila Shard. Last game na nila. Let's go! All the way! Protect your ball! Ganda ng laban mga lods. Lamang yung kalaban ng dalawa. Oras na kalaban mga lods. 27 seconds. Lamang pa ng 4 yung kalaban. Time out sila. Stay with you, man! Hey, step it! Hey! Get! Rebound! 8 seconds, 4 yung lamang. 8 seconds, 4 yung lamang. Let's go, that's fine! Oh man! What kind of pass is there? Nag-error pa. Talo sila na Shard, mga lods. 4 points. But that's okay. 2-1 sila. 2 wins, 1 loss. Okay lang yan. That's fine. Dami pang mga laro, mga loss. Pero sila Rashard tapos na. 3 laro sila. 3 laro sila Rashard. Talo sila. Pero okay lang yan. As I said, part of the game. Hindi lahat palaging panalo. So So maya maya pauwi na rin kami. Nahadil lang sila din, pauwi na rin kami maya maya. Malod, so si Rashard pagod. Hindi mo siya masyadong pagod na pagod. Pero 18 minutes first half 18 minutes. Second half 18 minutes. So nakatatlong game sila today. Ang score is 2-1, 2 wins, 1 loss. Not bad for a new team like the Hassle. I mean, bago lang siya doon. And tapos tatlong laro. Talagang mapapagod sila. Natalo sila sa third game nila eh. Medyo pagod na rin sila. So that's it. I think that's it for today. And nagyaya kumain to si Rashard, kakain daw kami. So yun nga. Dito namin sa kotse mga lods. And yun, siguro dito na muna natin tatapusin itong video natin for today. And once again, maraming salamat. Kung na-enjoy nyo yung konting basketball vlog natin for today, please do like or put a comment if you want to. And then yeah, sa mga subscribers namin, maraming salamat. Again, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for your continued support. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please, if you're considering doing that, really appreciate that too. And yeah, so see you again on the next vlog. Thank you so much. Shard, you want to say something? You don't want to say something? You're tired? So see you in the next vlog. Thank you all so much, and God bless you all. Peace.